Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Now it is time to go ahead and create our first product. We are on the tab Overview, and we're going to go ahead and hit Get Started under Campaigns. And when I hit Start New Design, while we're here, little pop-up, welcome to Bonfire. We're going to hit Continue, giving you guys just a little overview of how it works. You design your shirt, sell it for free, or buy directly, enjoy the new shirts. It says, how would you like to get started? I'm just going to go ahead and go start designing or upload artwork. You can browse the different shirts and stuff they have, or you can start with a design template. All of these are up to you. I have my shirt, and I am on a mission to get 10K subscribers, right? Once I get 10K subscribers, I can get myself a merch shelf with Bonfire. Anybody who's already there. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my graphic. For this one, it shows you the printable area that you have. Make sure you click that by uploading this image. I agree that I have the rights to it. Hit upload. I'm going to stretch this out just a tad bit and pull this up here. Love that that line popped up to show me that it was in the center. And the first thing it does is we're going to click on color. I think you can add up to 5 colors in 9 different designs. I'm going to grab a mustard, maybe see. What color is, where's white? I like gray, but I always like white. So we have white, and we're gonna scroll down really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and hit pick products. You can select up to 9 styles. I was looking for this part because I know there was something missing. So you can choose up to 9 products. This is the premium unisex tee. If I hit add products, you can see the different products they have. Classic unisex tee, tri-blend, women's fit, v-neck, comfort colors, premium long sleeve, football jersey, classic long sleeve, tri-blend, comfort colors long sleeve, tank tops, sweatshirts, hoodies, pullovers, and children's clothes. I'm gonna go with comfort colors, women's slim fit, comfort colors, long sleeve, and I might do a crew neck. Let's see. Let's do a crew neck and a hoodie. I chose those, and I'm gonna hit save products. Now we go back in and we can choose the colors that we want. Get that white, got that gray. I can't do white because it is white. Black, we have orange, we have gold. We have, I always like a navy blue, and let's do a red. So you can choose 5 colors. I'm gonna go to the comfort colors tee. I'm gonna choose that lagoon blue. Probably gonna get that violet. What else they have? They have gray. And then I'm gonna do butter. That's 5 selected there. Women's slim fit, gonna do red, royal, let's do teal, and then of course black. All right. Scroll down to the comfort colors long sleeve. We're gonna do the seafoam. I love this color. I'm gonna try this hemp out, this gray, and then also pepper because it's like a black. I love that pepper color. Crew neck shirt. We're gonna choose our colors here. Gonna do red, royal, gold, and sports gray. Got the 5 colors there. And then for our mid-weight pullover, we're going to do royal, red, gold, and gray. Also, let me be reminded that make sure your design looks good on everything. That's what the preview of that looks like. Go back to pick products, just kind of making sure the design looks good on all the products. Just checking it out. Then you can hit next or save for later. Now they want you to know what's next. So you want to sell this design, or you can buy it now. I'm going to hit start selling. I'm going to hit saving your design. The next step is to decide what you want to do. Do you want to do this in batches or do you want to be it on demand? For me, I would like to create these shirts on demand. Here you set your selling prices. Normally I sell my shirts about $25, $30. I'll do $25 for this one. The crew neck price is good. The hoodie price is good. Slim fit is good. All of these prices are good in my opinion. And here's your markup here, what you will make per item. Then the next thing you do is hit next. And it asks you, what do you want to do? You want to fundraise or you want to make money? In my opinion, I want to make money. I am going to accept tips at checkout. And then you can choose like what is this campaign for? It's not nonprofit, it's not medical sports, but I'm just going to see creator because we're talking about the military and I'm a YouTuber, so I'll hit YouTube and podcast. And I'm also author, so I'll do that. Shipping is standard. They do have more options. If you hit that, you can do group or give the buyers both options. They can ship to a single location or they can do a group. And then your buyers will only see the name, city, and zip code on checkout. This is if you do that. So I'm going to stick with standard. Let's keep it simple. I'm going to hit next. And then you can go ahead and add your title. Dear military spouse. And then you can choose what shirt you want for the beginning. You could go ahead and put in a catchy description. For video purposes, I'm going to keep it short and just put these words here. You can add your description and all of that. And basically, again, if you want to add information about the campaign, describe the campaign. And if you're done, make sure everything looks good. You could click on these again just to see the different colors and the different fits. And then you can go ahead and hit launch or you can hit save for later. If you would like to change your URL for this, I'm going to use it as Dear Military Spouse logo shirt. I'll hit agree, save, and then I'm going to confirm and launch. That will be the link for this shirt to be purchased. You can copy the URL. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, or on Pinterest. It says you want to sync your contacts right now. I'm not going to do that. You can also go ahead and share it on Facebook. Super easy. But right now, I'm going to skip that. And then we're going to go ahead back to my dashboard. And if you want to go ahead and see the page, there's a little thing that says congratulations on your launch. So if you want to see your Bonfire page, here it is. Here's the Dear Military Spouse shirt. And if you want to see what I think the actual store looks like, can it show me the actual store? Maybe it's not up yet because it's new. It's brand new. All right. But again, let me go click and say store. Let's see. Because I think the store is ready. Now we got our store. I'm going to add my campaign to my store. That's what we needed to do. We went back to our store. Got my campaign added, and now I can publish my store. I know I was missing a step. Now I can see my store. Here's my Dear Military Spouse store. I wouldn't recommend putting the logo and the header back there. So probably do something different, but I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys that. And here is the store. Now, once I add more things, of course, people can buy more products. But as for that, you just launch your store on Bonfire and you can get the selling, all right? They have selling guides to help you out, information, keep track of your orders and the supply and things like that. But this is a really easy website to navigate. I really enjoy the simplicity of this and getting started. I had a few hiccups, but I did try my best to write down the steps before I did this video, because then a lot of times I like to say, you weren't ready, you didn't know what to do. I'm sorry, I'm human, I make mistakes, I get brain fog and I forget things. Judge me when you're perfect. Until next time, I will be unboxing one of the products. I may do the same exact shirt or something different to match with my Coins and Connections brand. But until next time, make sure you guys continue to watch and subscribe to my channel. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.